In this video, we'll show you 8 rubber band hacks you need to know. Grip bottles. Having trouble holding that big slippery shampoo bottle with your soapy hands? Not to worry, just put some rubber bands around the bottle to give it some grip so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Cushion pens and pencils. Improve grip on your pen or pencil when writing, especially for young children starting to learn how to write. Simply wrap a couple rubber bands around the base of your pen or pencil, making it wider while adding more grip and cushion. DIY eraser. Need an eraser but the one on your pencil is old and dried? Just twist up a couple rubber bands together into a knot to make your own DIY eraser. Exercise your fingers. Place a rubber band around your fingers and stretch your fingers out to give them a good workout. Need more tension? Just add more rubber bands. Open tight lids. Have a jar lid that just won't budge? Simply place a rubber band around the lid, giving your hand more of a grip and leverage when turning open the lid. Steady chopping boards. Chopping board keeps moving during use? Just place a rubber band on each end, allowing the chopping board to stay in place. Stop hanger slips. Clothes constantly slipping off the hanger every time you hang things up? Simply place a rubber band on each end to ensure the shirt stays on the hanger. Keep doors open. Need quick access and want to prevent the door from latching behind you? Just place a few rubber bands around the 2 knobs to hold in the spring latch in place. Now you can easily open and close the door without having to twist the knobs. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.